Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your data usage in your computer with Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and first of all, I'm going to go to the Windows setting. So I'm going to click on settings here, and we're going to go to the network and internet. Okay, and you're going to select the advanced network settings, and here you will be able to monitor your data usage. Okay, click on data usage, and then these are the details of your data usage in your computer with Windows 11. Okay, this is my data usage. And we can also enter the data limit here. You just need to click on enter limit, and you can set the limit right here, but I don't want to set data limit for my computer. Okay guys, and that's all the way to track data usage in Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.